Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to change the language in Facebook on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Write comments. Put likes. Let's get started. In order for us to change or change the language in Facebook, we need to go to the settings of our iPhone or iPad. We scroll down to the bottom and find an application called Facebook. Once we get here we have different permissions. Let's say mobile internet, notification, Siri, photo, and so on. And at the bottom, it says language. Click here. As you can see, I've got English. And in order to change any other language on Facebook, we just need to check the box for the language we want. After that, we exit, close all the tabs, and go to Facebook. And Facebook will be updated and will be in another language that we have chosen. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will read and answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.